Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about a most powerful converter software. It's named Format Factory and it's totally free software. Where for download this software, first go to your browser, go to Google, type Format Factory. Then go to its website and download from their website. After download, install. It now run Format Factory. This is the software interface. If it's in different language, then change to English from this menu. I will change the skin color to dark mode for better viewing purpose. Here you can see the first option, video. So from here in video menu, you can convert your video in many format as you need. You can also convert your video for non-smart mobile phone. Which is support only 3GP format videos. From Video Joiner and Clip, you can join more the two videos together. Add your video files for join, then click on OK for join. You also can crop your video. Format Factory has a built-in screen recorder software, so you no need any other third-party screen recorder software. It also has a built-in video audio player software. It also has a video downloader. If you don't have YouTube downloader software, then nothing to worry, it's easy to use. Simply go to YouTube and copy the link of the video and paste it and click on OK. Then click on Start. In few minutes your download will be start. After complete download, you can find your video in the download folder. In this section, we can see audio menu. From here, you can convert your audio to many different formats as you need. In the picture option, Format Factory give you opportunity to convert your pictures to those different format. It has also picture and video editing software, but use those software you need to download those from their site. Now click on Document menu. Here we can see Format Factory also give us to convert PDF files. It has also a built-in zip software, so we no need WinZip or WinRAR, and it's totally free. By using Format Factory, we can copy and convert from CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Here we can see our YouTube video already completed download. There is a nice things of Format Factory, we can convert any video to audio. Sometimes, we download music video from YouTube, but we need to play it as an audio or MP3. In Format Factory can convert it so perfectly. We also can cut any particular portion of any video or audio. Thanks for watching. Write in comment box which software review you want to see. I will come back soon with a new video.